Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 21st of August. Looking at Eurodollar, which is actually progressing pretty well, isn't it? You've had three strong bull candles in a row. Today's move, interesting. It's 35-40 pips up on the day. It has been higher though. It has been about sort of 60 odd pips up on the day, but just sort of turned back a touch. Now you've got this sort of position on Eurodollar where the market has moved higher on these comments from Donald Trump and talking about currency manipulation and also the Fed criticism that he's had, and you sort of would wonder how far this rally is going to go, because what you have is a technical unwinding of the oversold position. You've got the RSI, which has picked up from below 30 and then now unwound towards sort of 50. Now 50 to 55 was around about where we saw throughout July the RSI failing. So if you can get the RSI above that sort of level, maybe towards 60, well, maybe there is something in the sustainability of a rally. But you're into this big band of resistance, 115 to 116.30, and I think this is a key area now that you've got on Eurodollar. If the market fails in this area here, I think that would be again another selling opportunity. So just how far this rally goes. Now, I also spoke about the fact that Donald Trump last commented about currency manipulation and the Fed on July the 20th, which is this candle here. This candle here, where we rallied on Eurodollar about 125 pips or so, and then just sort of petered out and rolled over again. So you'd be questioning how far this rally can go. But for now, certainly the technical rally is on and the market is moving well, and you can see that in the hourly chart, whereby you've moved above resistance near term, which was 14.45. You could argue a little bit of a head and shoulders reversal pattern, maybe even measuring 13 big figure to 14.45. What's that, 150 pips? That gives you 116 figure. So there is scope for that rally to continue perhaps today. However, it will be interesting to see how this move develops and how the market reacts if you start to get some negative signals coming through. So for now, the rally is on, but we're now into a big band of overhead resistance, key level near to medium term for Euro to try and get through. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.